Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about some more brand. One of them is Giorgio Armani. Italian fashion designer Giorgio Armani is a fashion icon who is well known for his menswear. Armani was born in 1934 in the town of Vicenza, Italy. Armani wanted to pursue a career in medicine, so he enrolled in the University of Milan. However, in 1953, he left his studies to enlist in the army. Later on, he became a sailor in the menswear department, which really helped in helped him experience various features of the fashion industry. In 1960, Armani joined the company Nino Cerito, Nino Ceruti, where he was in charge of designing menswear. Along with this, he also designed for other fashion houses such as Allegri, Scones, Montedoro, Hiltons, etc. On the advice of his partner Sergio Gallotti, he decided to found his own label. In 1975, established Giorgio Armani in Milan. In October, launched his first collection of ready-to-wear men's and women's clothing for summer 1976. His designs used fabric in surprising context and blends with also become his defining style. His trademark was reinterpreting the traditional business suits to unstructured and comfortable style for men and more masculine look for women. He used to approach celebs to wear his designs on events. Hollywood stars like Jodie Foster, Michelle Pfeiffer, and John Travolta dressed in Armani at the Academy Awards. His fame skyrocketed after Richard Gere wore his designs in the movie American Gigolo. He also designed outfits for the popular hit TV series Miami Vice. Armani has expanded to include hotels and restaurants in his vast empire. Armani is recognized as the most successful designer Italy has ever produced. Thank you.